Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, July 30th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So our daily is coming to balance. Here it is. It's a 4-day balance for ES. So everything inside of it is basically noise. NQ is in a 2-day balance. Okay? Yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Now, NQ did not have the outside day down. ES did. But right now, early on, they're trading close to the upper end of their lower distribution. Righty also had an outside day down. They're inside their single prints. Very wide overnight POC, 17 wide early for ES, and Q is only 13. Again, we're going to trade today as a normal trading day up until 2 o'clock. After that, everything MGI-wise can possibly change. But until then, trade it normally. Okay, what does that mean? Well, there's some obvious lines in the sand here, or hump levels that we need to talk about. For the bears, they would certainly like to defend between value high and the lower end of the upper distribution, right? You start getting acceptance into the upper end of the distribution, well, value will become at least overlapping a higher. Then you have a chance to take out the balance high and go for the overnight all-time high. For the bulls, they want to defend yesterday's low because that is now our balance low. If you take that out, the daily would be down, right? We have not tested the base of that price probe from the 23rd, a week ago today, and we had a small single trend day that day. So those are your early hump levels in ES. In NQ, for sure, the bears want to defend half back and value high. Same premise. If not, you can go up and then attempt to get into that sell tail. That is definite excess here, okay, at the all-time high. Now, ES also had it, but the fact that they're all-time highs in the overnight makes it much different. So, again, this is a big level for the bears to defend. Half back, value high, and then for sure, above B's high. For the bulls, obviously, it's yesterday's low. Because if you take that out, the daily would be down. Everything else right now inside of here is going to be what? A lot of noise. Now, that doesn't mean we won't have opportunities prior to 2 o'clock. It doesn't mean that. But you might have to be patient for them, right? We talk about our staple plays. Well, they should hopefully all come into play prior to 2. And that would be either an overnight high or low, one time frame in the first time, and then an IB high or low. So attempt to get those 3 trades if that's all the market's going to offer to us prior to 2. Okay? And then chart-wise, here's your daily. So we're up on the monthly and weeklies, right? All systems go in the longer time frames. But ES is in a 4-day balance, and triple Q, like I said, in NQ is in a 2-day balance. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.